Hi, I'm David Brennan, CEO of Arkeo AI and four-time startup founder. After spending the last 3 years building and exploring the AI space, we decided it was time to help other founders by creating this AI implementation program. We've worked with many companies and keep seeing the same challenges. Technology is moving so fast and there's too many options. So many of the teams end up using the wrong tools or they're setting up systems that don't work. And that's why we created this 12-month plan where we guide you step by step. You'll start with an assessment so we can figure out where AI can make the biggest impact in your business. Then we'll develop the top 5 AI initiatives that are going to have the biggest return on investment for your team. We'll implement each of those over the coming 5 months. So think we'll set them up, we'll implement them, and then, of course, we'll train your team on how to work with this new technology. At the same time, we'll keep exploring new tools and opportunities to help your business grow. You'll also get to learn from other companies in your cohort, and we'll create custom AI agents to fit your needs. It's going to be an exciting year, and I'd love for you to join us. So sign up today, and we'll see you at your free assessment meeting.